Hey all, I'm out here trail running with my newest project. This is a Redcat Everest 10, which is a rock crawler, but I don't usually take RTRs and run them straight out of the box the way they come. I decided I'd do kind of something interesting with this and turn it into kind of sort of a scale crawler. This is not intended to be like a competition grade truck, but it's meant to be able to be used in environments like this, where I might go hiking and want a truck that I can hike along with. Now, the Everest 10 is known for having tremendous amount of suspension travel and not particularly good handling because of that. But what I did was put on some heavier duty shocks with a lot more tension on them, so the truck tends to stay up a bit more and doesn't actually articulate quite as much, but that was fine. I didn't need like 80 degrees of articulation. I also put a faster motor in here. It's like a 27 turn motor versus something like a 55 turn in the original. And I put a new truck body. Well, actually an old truck body. This body's well beaten. I have it taped up. I'm eventually going to make a Jeep body for this truck, but for now I had this old body laying around and it looked kind of scale versus the truck body that the Everest 10 comes with, which does not look like anything real. So I'm just going to do a little bit of crawling here, a little trail running, I should say. Again, I'm not attempting to win any competitions with this. This is just for fun. So here we go. All right, I hope that gives you some idea of what you can do with an inexpensive rock crawler. Paint up a nice body, throw it on top, make a couple of cheap modifications, and off you go. Until next time, I'm Ari from the Tech Buyers Guru.